Welcome to Mr. Ninja.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I'll try to be an assassin and my friends will be the survivor. So guys, this is my first friend. Introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Abu Bakr.
Hello guys, my name is Usman.
Hello guys, my name is Rayyan, but my friend will call me Duggu with my nickname.
Hello guys, my name is Zohan.
Hello guys, my name is Ammar.
So these are the survivors who will have to survive. So guys, I'll count till 1 to 50 seconds and then going to hide. So I'll count till 50 and then I'll go to search them. And till the time I can't touch them, they'll not be out. So let's start the countdown. I'm starting the countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I finished the countdown and now I'm going to search them. So guys, I'm coming to search you all. Okay, let's go and see where are they. We'll search the whole building. Okay, I think I can hear a contestant to speak. He's speaking, I think. Wait, no. Wait, I know where they can hide. Let me go there. Okay, so I'll just run a bit. I'll sprint a bit. Oh no, nobody's here. I'll again have to sprint. Okay guys, let's see, where are they? No one's in the houses. I think somebody can be here. No one's here. Okay, here is a cute cat. Look at her, she's so cute, but she's running from me. Okay, let's be focused. Oh, I can see Zohan. So guys, I've just found a contestant and he's out of this game. So bye bye guys, I just out a contestant. Oh wait, I saw. Oh no, I'll have to catch him. Oh yes, he's out. The contestant is out. So I found one more
Give
contestant.
me one chance. Give me
No.
one more chance.
He's out.
Please.
Let's find guys. I've already found 2 contestants. Now let's find the rest one. Guys, I can see one contestant, but till that time I can't catch him. He'll not be out. Wait. Oh no. Wait. I'll have to catch him. I'll have to catch him. And I just fell. So guys, I was catching that contestant, but I found another one who is here. I'll just catch him. I'm just going to catch him. Wait. Okay, he's gone there. I'll just take a shortcut and I'll just catch him. Let's catch him. 1, 2. I'll just catch another contestant. Okay, I'm catching you. No. Why are you running? I'm tired, so I'll catch our nickname friend, Duggu. Oh, I can see that one contestant. So I'm gonna catch him. Wait, I found another contestant. No, he's not there. Get out! Oh no! I'll catch him. So guys, after too much of effort, I just caught the contestant. Don't cry. You'll win next time. So now only 2 contestants left. Let's see if I can catch him. So guys, I have found one more contestant and he's trying to tell me that I can't catch him. He's coming so close, but I'll catch him. Okay. Oh no. Wait. Oh, he's acting like a ninja. I'll catch him. He's behind the tree here. Oh wait, I have an offer. If I give you 50 rupees, then okay guys, I'm just quitting to catch him. I'll find another contestant. Guys, finally he outsmarted me and he's running. But I have an idea. I'll take a shortcut. Oh no, he's just staying there. So let's act that he'll stay there and he'll be coming from here. And I'll out. Guys, I just found that two contestants were speaking. I can't catch him. Caught him. I caught him. You're out. You're out. So guys, he's out. But still he's acting that he's not out. He's a bit rude. No, he's not rude actually. He's just like, oh no, I didn't got out. But you're out. So only one contestant to find. I'll just tell him that he won the. So guys, finally he has won the game. And before giving him a reward, I'll have to face the consequence that I had told in the previous video. By my friend, it will be given by my friend. So tell what you want.
Go and take a round of five rounds of this building.
Okay, so the consequence is that I'll have to take the 5 round of the building. So let's start. Okay, so I'm running, guys. I've already completed my consequence and now it's time to give him a reward. His reward is 50 rupees. So, are you happy?
Yes. Subscribe his channel. He do
Sub-
good work.
So guys, subscribe. If you like this video, do subscribe and bye.